Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox game not joining issues. First, always check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong. A weak signal can often prevent games from loading. Next, try restarting both the Roblox application and your device, whether it's a computer or mobile phone. Finally, quickly verify the Roblox server status online. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end, but with their systems. These simple steps can resolve many common joining problems quickly. Moving on, ensure your Roblox client is fully updated to the very latest version available. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Also, if you're using a VPN or proxy server, try disabling it temporarily, as these can sometimes interfere with game connections. Lastly, consider briefly disabling your firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking Roblox. Remember to re-enable them afterward for your security. Now let's look at network solutions. Flushing your DNS cache can often clear up connection problems by refreshing your network settings. You can also try a simple router reset. Just unplug your router or modem for at least 30 seconds before plugging it back in. For a more advanced step, consider changing your DNS server to a public one, like Google DNS, using 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8, 8, 4, 4 for improved reliability. If the problem persists, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox client might be necessary to clear any corrupted files. If you play through a web browser, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also help resolve loading issues. Should none of these steps work, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support directly. They have specialized tools and knowledge to assist with more complex or persistent joining problems, ensuring you get back to gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.